morning, everyone. Before I begin, let me share something from my heart. I am a proud mother of three unshrinking daughters. I just delivered twins 5 months before. People often ask me, how do you manage with three? I always smile and reply, I am blessed three times over. Because motherhood is not just a role I play, it's the air I breathe, the smell which I can smell always, and it has shaped me to whom I am today. It's an art of raising a soul while growing your own. Hi everyone, I am Sneha Sachin Agarwal, an MBA graduate and an honorary member of Chef Guild of India. But my real story lies beyond degrees. I have always believed that life is in canvas and I love filling it with my creativity. Sometimes the creativity flows with the graceful strokes of calligraphy, and sometimes it rises in the oven as a freshly baked cake. Whether I'm holding a piping bag or a calligraphy pen, my vision is just very clear to create something new. But my letter means my motherhood letter, is not written in an old fashioned world. It's written in today's fast paced digital age. Today, mothers are not just nurturers at home, they are creators, influencers, leaders, and much, much more. Raise kids in a phase of technology, instant information, and we must say constant change. We juggle between our own dreams, kids' tantrums, and we all know the technology, of course. As per research that was being held in India, in year 2024, 24,000 working women in and around 560 companies have said that they really faces career setback after coming from maternity leave. And nearly 40% of mothers have said that these are the says, the pros and the cons have been negatively affected. Their job have also been changed to something less preferable. Another concerning fact is that 94% mothers have said that they are not eligible to use maternity care services in their offices. Daycare benefits also plays a huge role. In a survey that has been done by WHO says that 15% mothers have seen or felt by the companies also that their productivity rises by 15% if they are using daycare facilities than any other childcare centers. Flexibility helps a lot. So India kindly be little flexible. In UK, mothers who are working from home 9 to 12% extra, they are being salaried than the mothers who don't. Else everything remain the same. These numbers don't tell us just about the gaps, they tell us about the missed opportunities. Every time a capable mother is sidelined, we faces or we sees that intellect brain, we also lose it. Motherhood is not a personal experience, it's an economic debtor. Leadership school, and everyone goes through the same. The challenges that are faced by a mother are career penalty, because we have always seen that the career is being somewhere compromised. Either we accept it or we not, but it is there. The second is the lack of structural support. Because of the structure that is being lined in, it's not only about India, but all over the world. The structure is not being taken care as it has to be. Productivity trade off, that's the reason where the productivity lessens. Bias and perceptions, yes, it is there. Either we say it or we don't, but we all face it and we all have to come out of it. It's not about us that we can think, we can change, but we all can come together as a teamwork, and then only things can happen. Motherhood is not a debtor. When companies support mothers, they are not doing charity, they are making an investment. Yes, my friends, it's an investment. Or we can say it's a strategic investment in resilience. Every mother in the audience, I must say, you are carrying world to your arms. To every leaders, policy makers, don't see mother as in cost, see as in catalyst. When you empower mothers, you empower family, nations, and even in your own life. Because when a mother rises, the entire generation rises with her. So, I would like to thank you each and everyone from a mother of three unshrinking daughters in an era in which people are really scared even to have a second child. Thank you.